I was walking around ShopRite the other day when I came across this new flavor of Old El Paso spicy jalapeno cheddar taco shells. I just had to try it. Here's what I think. These taco shells are So I decided to make spicy chicken tacos. Start by preparing your chicken. Then gather the ingredients for your marinade. For this recipe, it includes onion and garlic powder, adobo, lemon juice, salt, pepper, Ken's, chili powder, sriracha, Texas Pete, and don't forget your hot seeds. Texas Pete! I found this one at the dollar store. It's sauteed garlic flavor. It's pretty awesome. Go ahead and mix that together. Whee! That shit's hot. Woo! Give your chicken about an hour to marinate. In the refrigerator, of course. Don't be one of those people. I love grilling and chilling. I cook it on my grill at 350 degrees. It's done when you reach an internal temperature of 165. How do you like that sizzle? Look at that. That looks good. Oh yeah, you know that's spicy. I'm making a little topping for my tacos. This pepper was so hot, you'll be feeling it tomorrow morning. If you know what I'm saying. Look, Mom, I cut the lettuce just like Taco Bell. I couldn't wait to eat this taco. Texas Pete. These taco shells are the